Hi students, today we are going to look at Unit 3 patterns of 3rd standard mathematics. Okay, right. Let's observe the pictures given below. These are the pictures. Okay, look like this is chessboard, right? The pattern is formed when objects, events and numbers are repeated uniformly in a specific way. Even in the chessboard, you can see one square box is of black color, then next square is white, and then next black, next white, like this. There is a specific pattern of the things. Okay, these are repeated. Okay, uniformly in a specified way. The objects are repeated uniformly in a specified way. That is called pattern. Okay, pattern in shapes, creating patterns of regular and irregular shapes by stamping. For example, block patterns created using handprints and footprints are as shown. Okay, like this. Okay, like this and like this. Okay, right. Create patterns by impressing the following on paper using dry leaves or fallen leaves, fingers, hands, paws, feet, using dangles. Create patterns on your phone using seeds, buttons, bottle lids. Patterns in geometrical shapes. There are two types of patterns. There are growing patterns, second one, or repeated patterns. If some patterns and designs increase or growth with straight lines and geometrical forms, they are called growing patterns. For example, see, this one is growing pattern. Okay, this one also is a growing pattern. This one is also growing pattern. This one is also growing pattern. Here also it is growing, right? Here also it is growing. Continue the growing patterns. See, these are two arrows, 3 3 3, then 4 4 4, like that. Okay, here one ball is there, two balls, three balls. Here 4 balls should be there. 1 2 3. See, one here, after 1 2 came. Okay, here 2 and 3 came, so here 3 and 4 should come. One rectangle, two rectangles, three rectangles, four rectangles. One here, above one, side one. Again, this one came here. Again, now you have to form above one, below one, like that. Continue the growing pattern. 1 2 3 4. Again 5 arrows. Okay, right. You can follow these patterns, repeated patterns. See the repeated patterns. If some patterns and designs repeat with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called repeated patterns. See here, rectangle, triangle. Sorry, this is square, rectangle, or square or triangle, rectangle. Again, what is this? Circle. Okay, then this is repetition. Okay, here also this is repetition. This one is also repetition. See here, everything is repeated, right? Yes, these are repeated patterns. Okay, so you can practice the repeated patterns. Okay, see, these are three steps. Again, 3 steps you can form here. Yeah, make a triangle, circle, and the rectangle. Okay, here circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, like that. Here triangle, square, rectangle, triangle, square, rectangle. Again triangle, square, rectangle. Okay, rhombus, half moon, rhombus, half moon, rhombus, half moon, rhombus, half moon. Okay, this is very simple, straightforward. Arrows in this way, 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 in this way. Okay, you can also make this pattern, no problem. Complete the buttons by following the pattern. You just simply need to follow the patterns and complete it. Okay, there is nothing new in it. Patterns are created by combining colors and shapes in different ways. See, green pencil, red pencil, green pencil, red pencil, like that. Okay, with the colors only, the patterns formed here. Okay, match the following and complete the pattern. That is a good question. Okay, right. After this, yellow has to come. This is here. Okay, what about this green here? Okay. Keep it here. Match polar triangle. This triangle has to come. Okay, right. What about this plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? Here what should come? Plus should come. Where is the plus? Where is the plus? Plus is not available. Okay, from this we can say that this is the after this has to come. No problem. But here, if you see, plus has to come, but plus is not available. Maybe printing mistake. Match the following. After this, cone has to come. Alright. What about after this? After this has to come. Cube without dots, and this tent has to come. Right. Symmetries in shapes and patterns. Do yourself. Okay. Symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in the same way. Turn, flip, or slide. Take a sheet of paper and fold it. Draw any shape at the folded edge of the sheet like this. Cut the shape. Okay, if you cut the shape, then heart will form. Okay. Unfold it. This is the line of symmetry. Okay. This gap will come. The heart shape gap will come, right? So see the symmetry on the letters. This is vertical symmetry. This side of portion are equal. Here horizontal symmetry. This side of portion is a mirror image of this side of this portion. Here also horizontal symmetry. Here also horizontal. It has both vertical symmetry and horizontal symmetry. It also. This is horizontal. This is vertical. Okay. This is just mirror image. One side is a mirror image of the other. This has both the vertical and horizontal symmetry. This has vertical symmetry. This has vertical. This has vertical. This has vertical. This has both vertical and horizontal symmetry. Y has vertical symmetry. Line of symmetry. Note that one half of the shape is exactly like the other half. The line which divides the figure into two exact halves is called the line of symmetry. The following letters are non-symmetric and does not have line of symmetry. F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, or S, Z. Try this. Make the paper cut out of the shapes as shown below with the help of your elders and keep them in front of a mirror and observe the image formed in the mirror. You will see the other half of the image. Okay. We have made only one half. You can see the other half. Okay, then this becomes star, right? What about this bigger triangle? This is house. This forms a house, perhaps. This forms a circle. Okay, symmetrical. This one is look like square, then no. This also square. Symmetrical shapes. If a shape can be folded or divided into halves so that the two halves match exactly, then such a shape is called symmetric shape. This is symmetric shape. If you fold it here, these two matches, right? This is also symmetric. This is also symmetric. This is also symmetric. This is symmetric. This is symmetric. This is symmetric, and this is the line of symmetry. Symmetric. Okay. Line of symmetry, folding line, mirror line. Okay, mirror line, folding line. Collect some symmetrical images from newspaper and magazines and paste them to make an album. Complete the symmetric image. Symmetric image means you have to follow on the similar lines. Okay, just to find a mirror image. Here also, just find a mirror image. Okay, draw the lines of symmetry for the following figures. Okay, that is your job. You can do that. I know. Circle the non-symmetric shapes. This is symmetric. This is symmetric. This is this symmetric. What about this? This is not symmetric. Okay. This is symmetric, no problem. This is also symmetric. Umbrella. What about umbrella? The top part is symmetric, not bottom part. Draw the other half from the line of symmetry to make it symmetrical. That you can do, I know. Line symmetry is also found in some letters of the alphabet. Complete write the letters with line symmetry. Creating pattern from straight line. The following images show some examples of patterns in straight lines. Okay. Observe and extend the line patterns in the given boxes. Yeah, that you can do, I know. Continue the straight line pattern. This plus this plus this plus. Here you have to get plus. Okay, plus. No, 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 oh no. Plus like this. Oh, why is it going like that? Okay. Okay. That is what has been asked. Plus. Okay. Now this is this triangle. Now you have to place a triangle here. Is triangle available? No, no, not this. This triangle. No, triangle is not available. Yes, triangle is not available. Then somehow I managed to try a triangle. Don't worry. This triangle is not a perfect triangle, but it is a triangle. Triangle is a triangle, but not perfect. Okay. Circle. Here you have to draw the circle. Circle is available. Circle came, right? Circle. Okay. Here you have to make a square. Is square available? I hope square is available. Oh, this is not a square. What are those bending portions? Yes, you can make square out of it just by putting it here and here. Move it here. Okay. Right. So this is the end of the unit 3. We will meet in the unit 4 in the next session. Okay. Nandri, vanakkam. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.